everyone, Serena here, and today is a special announcement. Today I'm announcing my first ever class with Big Picture Classes. It's launching today. It's free for you guys to try out if you do the 2-week trial. I'm so proud of it, and if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I've been wanting to teach classes for a really long time now, and I'm so freaking excited that this year I started with my first class called Treasured Travels. This class is all about documenting your favorite trip that you still haven't maybe documented yet because there's maybe an enormous amount of photos or a lot of ephemera to get through, or you just don't know where to start. This class is perfect for you. The album I work on in my class, and it is chunky. It's full of amazing good things, guys. Oh my gosh. There's so many great ideas and tips and tricks and different ways to incorporate your ephemera. Like this, I made a pocket using the map that I collected there. There's just so much fun stuff in here, and I am so proud of this class and this album, and I'm so excited and I can't wait to share more with you guys. The class is broken down into 4 or 5 different parts. So the first class is on how to create a curated stash kit from your collection and different things that you may pick up for this album. Second tutorial is how to organize your ephemera when you get back from your trip, so it's easier for you to pick up and go when you want to include an ephemera in your album. The third lesson is how to mindfully go through your photos in order to select the right photos that you want for your album that tells the story that you want to tell. And then the meat of the class is how to organize and prep your pages and how to get started with that, how to decorate some pages. There's a bunch of different fun ideas in my class for different types of interactive elements you can add to your albums. And then there's going to be a lesson on how to add journaling and different types of journaling. So I guarantee you'll learn a lot of fun techniques and tips and tricks and different things to do on your albums that maybe you haven't thought about doing before. It is a very fun and detailed and useful class. I hope you can check out the free trial. I really do encourage you to stick around with Big Picture Classes because they offer some amazing classes, and it's an awesome platform for learning new tricks, new tips, and new techniques on your crafty adventure and your scrapbooking layouts and stuff like that. I think it's a really great website, and I'm so proud to be part of it. But if for some reason you feel like you don't want to continue after the 2 weeks trial, you can also cancel at any time. But I do suggest you check out my class, of course, because I think it's really great, and I would love you to check it out, leave a comment, let me know what you think. And as a first-time teacher, every view counts. I really hope you guys can check it out and support me on Big Picture Classes and on my dream of teaching more. I'm really excited. I hope to have more classes with them in the future. And if you have any suggestions for classes, let me know. I have a couple ideas, but I'd love to hear from you guys. You guys are why I do this, so let me know what you want to see from me, what you want me to teach, and everything like that. Thank you so much for watching this video. The link will be posted down below for my first class ever, and I'm so excited. Let me know what you guys think, honestly. Tell me your feedback. You can leave comments there, or you can leave comments here on my YouTube video once you've taken it, or as you go along. I'd love to hear your feedback in different ways that I can maybe improve in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys can check out my class, Treasured Travels, so that you can create an album that you will treasure forever. Bye! Got some Pebbles vibes going on here.